Hi guys, I'm at Lufasi Park.
Lufasi Park.
Come with me as we explore the bush.
The most expensive coffee in the world.
Yeah. Are you enjoying nature?
The back then, the girls never be nice. For the day, for the night. What's your life in the passenger park?
So we're in the Lufasi Park and the tour guide is telling us how many music videos have been shot in this place. And it's a lot. Beautiful background. Oh, it's so pretty. So cute.
Let me take a picture.
Or where is the filter? It's fine, doesn't need the filter. Man. Look at my mother's children. This tour guide has us weirding out. Emmanuel, you are so happy, assistant tour guide.
We're in the bush, this way I travel.
Oh God, don't run. Are you enjoying nature?
You know, like
Oh my God, sorry. Oh
Yeah.
yes, perfect.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah, my lads. See that lad?
Oh, my baby. The one and only auntie is in one place. Lie, he wants to climb everywhere. No worry, let him go. Let him go. I'll follow him. Okay.
Yeah, we're in the Lufasi Park.
Lufasi Park, right here. We are at Lake Moses, chilling, interfacing with nature because we love nature. Yes. I'm here with my baby, and my brother and my sister.
See the baby, don't walk out, come out.
Just one bottle of water. You people cannot carry water. Hey! Auntie of the year. Auntie of the year. Uncle of the year. Cute baby. Cute baby. This guy should show them. Let's go, please. Oh, this one.
Are you ready to go?
My legs. I'm tired. Hey, baby.
I said, guy, why did you make this?